Greetings, Motors. It's the first time you fiddling with this new phone, or the one I got now. Now, I know we did a video on this car already. Forget about him at the moment. Either been needing to do my review on. Now we're gonna do today's review. We've been needing to do updates on the Batman cars, the yellow and black, or this is like the blue and yellow variation, and then the black and red, which I think this is the best one. I'm not crazy about these wheels, but I don't want to try tearing it apart. But if you're wondering why I haven't made any little toy car videos, you see that right there? Yeah, that's the biggest reason. One. Second is, well, you should probably already know that I have a life, and the fact of I'm going through my grandfather's sickness, which has not been easy. He's 94 and he's not been feeling good. And that's the other reason why I haven't made a lot of, like little toy car videos too. That's why I've been making simpler stuff. But regardless, I'm back in the game for videos. So that'll be it from here.